the gangway. We are used to see it like this, but everything starts from here, raw material. So, how to do it? Let me show you.
Well, it all starts with raw material. Pipes, tubulars, 304 and 316 stainless steel sheet metals, and aluminium. The first step is cutting and drilling, then welding of the various components and assembly. Finally, customization with the company's logo. Today, to better understand the whole process, we are at Besenzoni, leading company in the gangway market. The structure of the gangway here is complete, but to withstand more extreme weather events, it needs surface treatment. Now, we must separate the two materials, steel and aluminium, that, thanks to particular chemical treatments, are prepared for their life at sea. Don't miss the video we made on metal treatment. After a final clean with high-pressure water, the piece is set to dry, ready for the next step. Painting, which is a very unique and definitely effective process. The piece to be painted, aluminium or steel, is preheated at 180 degrees. The paint, still in form of polyester powder, is fired with a strobe gun and electrically charging on the walls of the barrel. Once out, it sticks to the metal. It now enters the baking oven at 210 degrees and, due to its plastic nature, it melts, creating an extremely solid coating. But we do not trust it. These are the sample tests that are done at Besenzoni on finished materials, and no, it just doesn't come off. Now, the components of the gangway are ready and move on to the assembly phase, where the pull-out section, meaning the last piece of the gangway, is inserted inside the fixed section, which is the first segment. Here, either the hydraulic piston or the electric actuator is mounted. Then they add the stanchions and lines, tack with optional lighting, and then everything goes inside the aluminium containment box.
That's how they do it, and now we can enjoy it.